So this is called our community room. We got a TV, and then we got, okay, here, take me with the piano. Here. Be careful, it's on. Be careful. Alright? So let's see if I'm able to play like before. Not too fast. I know it's do here. I forgot. And I know we did it. I remember this. With my sister we used to play. Maybe I'm going to get some more less. So that, and then we got here, we got the microwave, you got the fridge here, you can sit down and have a meal, or on here, I'll show you, sit down and have a meal, here, you can listen to music. We got music also we need to find. You can read some books. You can read some books here. Community room. And of course we have, you know, already the dryer. You can sit down and you can lie down on the here the place. And you wait, you got the fan. And then another thing we got, you got the storage here, and then we got the bathroom. You got a bathroom here, and you can see the bathroom. Now I'll show you where is our barbecue. Okay, I got my little vacuum cleaner to help out. We got the bathroom here. This is just for when they do a little maintenance, you know, when they repair. And then this is the way out. I put my back here so it doesn't affect, you know, with the wind. Got the smoke here. And then my table. See, my table with the barbecue here at the back. Got my little up, you know, I'm going to put a little bit of flowers here on that. And then the barbecue ready to be used sooner or later. Okay, so far so good. And the weather is getting better. It's a nice room. And they have pest control coming on Monday. So it's really nice room, it's warm. You can sit down like Solana here, and that's it.